welcome to Mark's Ranch.
The annual EcoFarm Conference brought together hundreds of farmers from across the country and some from abroad.
This is the 43rd annual EcoFarm Conference. It's held at Asilomar. We have about 1,400 people, 1,500 people who come. They came from about 44 states, from Canada, obviously the US, Mexico, the UK, Australia, Germany, and Portugal.
Farmers and experts from organizations like University of California Agricultural and Natural Resources UCANR, the National Center for Appropriate Technology, and the United States Department of Agriculture USDA participated in a conversation about agriculture and its challenges.
Es la conferencia en este lado del país que probablemente sea la más grande y la que te puede proveer los conocimientos y las conexiones para que mejores tu producción.
Topics like how to produce enough food for everyone, how to maintain a healthy soil, how to save water while being a profitable business were some of the challenges addressed through an intense exchange of ideas.
There's over 60 workshops, there's 4 keynotes, there's the discussion groups. It's kind of an overwhelming amount of information. How to be a better farmer, how to use equipment, how to improve your soil, how to treat pests.
This year, EcoFarm had more Spanish workshops, more women, and young farmers.
Esta organización ha trabajado por estos últimos 42 años para llegar a este punto, para tener un programa para hispanohablantes que es muy robusto.
California has always been a leader in agriculture, and the demand for organic food keeps growing. In a workshop about soil health, plant diversity was said to help protect crops. Farmers talked about how difficult it is to sell their products at fair prices. In order to help farmers in all areas of organic production and marketing, UCANR has increased the number of community educators.
Este último año, la cantidad de personal bilingüe que habla español y otros idiomas como Hmong o chino ha aumentado bastante la extensión cooperativa. Entonces estamos llegando a muchos más agricultores.
COVID-19 brought along a crisis, but also positive changes, like the creation of TerraFarm, a non-for-profit organization that helps farmers sell produce directly to the consumers. Maria Ana Reyes started her business thanks to TerraFarm. She rents a small plot where she successfully grows carrots, peppers, and beets.
Ser agricultor a veces no es fácil. Muchas personas dicen, pero no tengo la herramienta, es que cómo le voy a hacer. Y yo nunca me pongo barreras.
EcoFarm concluded with awards to those who have anticipated the changes and have dedicated their work to the health of the environment and the farmers' well-being.
It is an extreme privilege.
Gail Feenstra directed UCANR's Sustainable Agricultural Research Program for 33 years and recently retired, but is actively the director of a farm-to-school program.